It's time for today's doctor's prescription. This is a trick that will help you cut down the time while you're ironing your clothes. All you need is an item that you most likely already have in your kitchen, aluminum foil. What do? You cut a long piece of foil and place it underneath the length of the ironing board cover, shiny side up. You place the cover back on top. Then you iron your clothing, but you don't have to iron both sides because aluminum foil, it's very thin, it absorbs heat and radiates it quickly. Wow. And then cools down at high speed so you can press out those stubborn wrinkles on both sides while you're just going over the top. Isn't that cool?
It is cool. I have known about this trick, though, and you have to change the foil out every month or so or it will leach into the clothes and stain.
And you don't want that. The other thing is always just be careful, too, because these things that radiate heat, you can obviously burn yourself. So be very careful when ironing your clothes.
Or steam.
You did a good job ironing those scrubs, buddy.
Dr. Funk, always a pleasure, I must say.
A pleasure is mine.
Having you on. If you miss anything, head to thedoctorstv.com. See you next time.